God, I'm asking you to intervene for Donna go this morning because she alone can't fight this battle. God, intervene for this female. Hey, God, put them to shame.
Aunty Donna, poor people government.
Of course, it must hurt her, you know. It's only God alone. It's only God alone that strengthens Donna most of the time. These big female get up every day. If the lady, if she get up and she help one picnic to go to school, they say she a scammer. If she exercise, they say if she not lose weight or weight, she try lose weight to go to surgery. If she they blend in her house, then in her kitchen. Somebody dead, they want to say she kill her, you know? Then definitely want to speak out of their mouth, say the woman kill her. Suppose Donna was the person when they cook little food for go feed Miss Richie every evening. Cause that's what we do when we are take care of our old somebody. We cook and we go help, we go feed them or something. Eh? Suppose Donna was the type of person who cook and go feed Miss Richie. These big old female would say this lady killed this woman. Eh? 93-year-old and can't dead naturally. 93-year-old and you can't die naturally and in peace. I guess they don't even have no experience of elderly and how they operate. An elderly person, when they're gonna pass out, they actually get, if they have no sense, then get back all of their sense. If they never used to talk, then talk. If they never look fresh or happy, then get fresh or happy. That is how elderly people stay. Worse, they don't want you to cry. They don't want you to feel sad. They don't want you to feel no way. They are, boy, may I tell you? God, may I ask you to intervene? God, may I ask you, even though we say, Donna, ignore the all of them. Donna, you are so strong and you're so, when me think about you, I ask God to give me the ability to bite my tongue most of the time and to be just the way you are when it comes to criticism. But we all know that this lady need support, because these things affect people mentally when people get up and talk so much trash of one person. God have mercy. God strengthen your daughter. God fight the battle for her. God put her in a position so she can catch these people and put them where they belong. God, I'm asking you to intervene for Donna go this morning because she alone can't fight this battle. Hey! Why these big female? Get up and just tell life on this young lady so. Eh? This young woman get up and she do so much things to these people in and around our community, and them same one, you know? Them same one. Hey, God, oh, God, you see her, you know your daughter, you know what she's capable of doing, and you know the qualities that she have, you know the motivation, you know what you push her to do, and you know what she do, and you know her reward, what she's supposed to get. And God, she don't deserve this thing. She don't deserve it. God, intervene for this female. Hey, God, put them to shame. The time, God and time, man. No matter how strong, I couldn't do it. I could never. Donna could have walked away from all of this, you know. Donna could have said, look here, because she was saying it before. Donna could have said she no business, you know. Miss Richie have family. She could have said she no business. She could have said she not take up no funeral. She could have said she not do nothing. For Mr. Lebo dead, Donna could have leave Miss Richie alone. And she did not. She do her best. The public have seen Donna bring Miss Richie to the doctor. The public see everything where Donna do with Miss Richie. And you want to tell me, say the woman lived to a long 95-year-old, 93, and her death is a problem. She get poison, she get this, she get that. Boy, me no know Donna, you know, in a real life, you know. Me see Donna on internet, you know, and a lot of things where Donna do make me cry. When me see Donna, they help some people. When me see some little hole and crevice and corner where Donna take some people out of. When me see where Donna do for some people and put some people in a home. When me see where Donna do to some people, oh God Almighty. And today, me never know say. If she never do it, who would do it? Even the people that's there taking care of Miss Richie, they wouldn't do it without money. They wouldn't. They would never do it without money. She have to pay them. You want to tell me, say this woman, all where you see she do a good. Hey, God, oh. You want to tell me, say everything when me see this lady do a good, I never see she do no wickedness to nobody. They accuse him of him set up people for beat people. They accuse him of in the scam. They accuse him saying kill who. They accuse him saying do this. They accuse him saying do that. Me no know how Miss Marcia they run a fair corner the other day and they no accuse her say she kill Miss Marcia too. Eh? After that, I go take out Miss Marty out of one place where the people them are almost show him and his 6 son out and build house and gear. Oh, they not say she kill Miss Marty too. All of them something. They say all kind of something about Donna. Eh? I mean, never see she out the road they beat nobody. But or they cuss nobody like a dog. She cuss people when I have ambition and I would do the same. Because me see she give people money to build house and they not do it. They use the money to do other things. And she tell them off and I would do the same. This woman do nothing but good. Nothing but good for these people. And these people hate. I mean say they hate pan her, they hate pan her. All the people them what she helping her. Then turn around pan her, you know. Eh? Me not tell no lie, Donna. Me have to meet you in a real life. Me have to meet you. Cause I want you tell me how you do it. If for the salt where you put on your tongue, make you not talk. And answer some of them people. Or bite you, they bite for your tongue so. Or how you do it. I want to know how you do it, Donna. I want to know how you do it. I want to know how you do it. That I want to know about you. How you do this. How you do it. How you endure all this wickedness. How you do it. Because me know you're here. Girl. Me ask God forgive me the courage like you. Me know me strong for a long time. Me know me no really argue with people for a long time. Me will chat and me done. But me want to know how you do it because you're not saying a word. Hey, people when they do they something me to Donna better be careful because you see people when not talk, them pray and then cry. And you see tears tears is a language that God alone understand. Uno better be careful. Cause me know definitely say Donna maybe not come up here and show no what she do, but me know she cry to the Creator. Eh? Me know she cry to the Creator. Let me tell you something. In a parable, on a same day leaf drop of water bottom here. I know the same day leaf drop of bottom, a water bottom is rotten. So no better be careful. Cause me know she a cry to her God. Me know she de cry to the God we supposed to be serving. I know that. And uno day they come. Uno day coming. Enjoy the ride now. Uno enjoy all I wanna do. All the police and the judge and the barrister and the homeland security and the immigration officer. I hear these people say all kind of things about this lady, you know. Of course, when Mr. Lebo passed away, you know, Miss Richie lose her mind completely. Lose her mind completely. She was even ill, sick. And Donna take up Miss Richie and bring her back. Bring back the smile where we know Miss Richie have. You want to tell me say she 93, she feel out the road, they run up and down and go on? Let me soon live to Miss Richie age. Let me see enough of no where they talk in a sometimes if you feed that share the phone, cause make me they see some things where they do. I mean I see it in a me good nice clean phone and me I talk to no pan. But me say, make me see them live to reach Miss Richie age. Make we see no. Hey! Lord of mercy, these people think say every day then go strong for the on the internet they call people name. Than a young woman younger than Uno, and she will see a time of the master. The people them upon the woman, we mean say everybody, one over England, one down New Jersey, one over this, so one did this, so one did this, so, and that's some big hard woman, you know. Some big hard woman. They just have their mouth upon this young lady, so. Mighty God of Daniel, man. No, Donna not living in Miss Richie house and you hear the woman come out with her big stinking mouth this morning. They say, Donna was there when she did. Donna was there when she did. First of all, if somebody go hospital into a car and the person died in that car, most definitely when they take out that person can sit up in a wheelchair. Eh? They would have him on one stretcher and all of that. Me don't understand them. Me can't understand them. No, sir. Remember, people are too wicked, man. They're too wicked. That don't make them distract you. Go and go bake the cake. Me have to get my cake this year. Have to. Don't make them distract you, honey. Although me know you're not easily distracted. You're not easily distracted. Nobody can distract you off of what you do. But don't make them, oh God, man. Donna have money and he will pay off big people up a hospital and he with this and he with that. Why Donna go care if you go pay off people up a hospital? Miss Richie ain't dead in a Donna house. Miss Richie never dead in a Donna house. So what she a pay off? Miss Richie dead if Miss Richie dead in her house, she dead in her house. God is gonna show them so sign and wonders. Go take them. Look here, they pan them already, you know. Uno hear one little story, little saying say, dog a sweat and long hair cover it. Hey, make them continue. I coulda what Donna do them so? You want to tell me say you live a foreign? And you beg this lady to below to your family. This lady not have money. She not rich. A people they send them money. And the woman speak out her mouth. The woman says she can't do that because you're there foreign. You have to help your family. Because other strange people they are foreign, they help strange people. So if you're there foreign, you're supposed to can't help your family. Then after that you go eat and you go call on one crowd of people to come help you eat the woman for. Eh? Let it go and move on. Huh? Hey! Me can't wait for that day they come. Me can't wait for that day. Hey! Donna, I want to see you strike. Hey! Me can't wait for you reach, mom. Me can't wait for that day they come. Boy, me understand the part where Donna show and tell everything. You know? Because at the end of the day, even people, you have to understand, even people will follow Donna and say them a planketeer, and they are right there behind these people telling lies on her as well. So, what if she never did show everything what she do and tell everybody everything what she do? If she never did show and tell everybody what she was doing, it would even look more like a truth because the world don't know. Now she have witnesses to say this was not so because she did show everything, you know. But when you go oh God, man, I have a couple of videos on my page. One of the persons that I follow on the internet that does a lot of inspirational stuff. She say them are social media bullies, and the things that they say about people on social media they would never say to their face, and that's not a lie. Because I know if them say that in a real life, them wanna do it. Them wanna do it. Them just they behind their mask, which is their electronics, their phone. Then they behind their phone and they say all kind of things about people. Like anybody